Hello dear students, welcome to today's English lesson. Today we'll be working on Unit 5, Protest, and I'm here on the American HotLine book, page 4, and we're going to go through the exercises on this page today. So let's have a look at exercise 6, useful expressions. How do you say these in your language? A demonstration, una demostración, the mayor's office, la oficina del gobernador, a poster, un póster, a banner, un cartel, a petition, una petición, can I join you? ¿Puedo unirme? The more the merrier. Mientras más, mejor. Here I'll take that. Me llevaré eso. Let go of it. Déjalo ir. What on earth is the matter? If we want to make an interpretation of this question, what on earth is the matter? The right one will be ¿qué demonios es el problema? O ¿cuál es el problema? Okay? So fill in the blanks. Number 7, we're not going to work on number 7, but I would like you to practice, okay? Listening to the episode so you can practice and develop your listening and your speaking too. So listen and read. Follow-up activity. We are not going to work on this activity now because this activity will be for homework. So don't worry about that. I will explain that in another video. Language work, the passive. Number 1. Look at these sentences. They are in the passive voice. A demonstration is planned. Letters are written to the mayor's office. What's the action? Remember, the passive, right, focuses on the action, focuses on the activity. Okay? So the most important is the action, not the subject, not who or what does it. Is planned, are written. Let's move on here to exercise B. How do we make the passive voice complete the role? As you might see in the video, we make the passive with the verb to be, right? Is, are, was, and were. Is, are in the present simple tense, and was and were for the past simple tense. And the verb in the past participle form, right? So exercise 6, when do we use the passive voice? Here's a general rule that I would like you to memorize, please. We use the passive voice when the action is more important than who does it. Remember, the passive voice focuses on the action, on the activity. So look at these sentences in exercise 1A. We know the action, but we don't know who does it, right? A demonstration is planned. Letters are written to the mayor's offices. We don't know who, yeah? Who has planned the demonstration? Because we don't want to show that. What we want to show is the action, are or is planned. Letters are written to the mayor's offices. We don't know who is writing the letters, right? What we wanted to show is the action, are written. If we want to show who or what does the action, in the passive voice, we usually use by plus an agent. Let's have a look at the example. The leaflet was written by Samantha, right? The leaflet was written. We want to show who. We need to add by plus an agent. Remember, an agent can be any subject, right? Number 2, this text is part of a leaflet. Check the meaning of these words in the dictionary. Survive, hand, protect, bone, poacher, and patrol. Poacher, it means cazador furtivo, right? So survive means sobrevivir, hand in Spanish means cazar, protect in Spanish means proteger, bone it means huesos, Poacher, as I said it, cazador furtivo, and patrol, it means patrulla. So put the verbs in parentheses into the passive voice. Tigers are in danger. If nothing is done, verb to be, plus the past participle form of the verb do, then is done, they will not survive. Most of the world's tigers are found in India. Remember to change the past participle form of the verb find is found. They are protected in national parks. However, every year hundreds of them are killed by poachers. Okay? The tigers aren't hunted. The tigers are not hunted. Not hunted for sport. They are wanted for their bones. These are used in traditional Chinese medicines. When tigers are killed, passive, verb to be, plus the past participle form of the verb kill, the bones are sent to China. They're sold for thousands of dollars. Wow, they're very expensive. A lot of poachers are arrested, but the national parks are too big. Many more guards are needed to patrol them. So this is how we use the passive voice when we want to show that the action is the most important, right? What's happening. Tenses in the passive voice. As I told you, there are many different tenses that we can use with the passive voice. Look at these sentences. Which tenses are they in? A lot of tiger has been killed. Last year, 200 tigers were killed. Next year, hundreds more will be killed. Which part of the verb changes to show the tense? The first part of the verb, right? Have been, which is a present perfect tense, as you remember, plus the passive, has been killed. Last year, 200 tigers were killed. Were, past simple tense, right? Next year, 100 more will be killed. Will, future simple tense, plus the passive voice. So we can use different tenses in the passive voice. Find more examples of the passive in different tenses in the Jefferson's Row story. So I would like you to go to the Jefferson's Row story and identify these different tenses, please. Okay? Has been, which is a present perfect, were killed, which is a past simple tense, and will, which is a future simple tense. So I hope this tutorial helps. And remember, if you have any questions, just let me know. Feel free to text me or call me on Hangouts. I'll be glad to help you. Bye everyone. Take care.